Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to make a like Twixtor on Capcut. Here's the Twixtor clips which we're gonna make in this video. So let's start the video. Get your clips ready. Now click on your clip and go to the speed. Then click on normal and set the speed 0.4. Then click on make it smoother and select better quality. The process will take a while. Now do the same to your other clips as well. Now save the video. Add another project and select the video we just saved. Now split the video where two clips meet. Then click on first clip and go to speed, then click on curved and select custom. Adjust its first and last point up to second line as shown here. Do the same to the other clips as well. And we're all done. Result. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more useful content. Thank y'all.